We're finally at the conclusion of this project, which ended up being 7 parts. But this is a wrap-up of my workshop solar panel project to show you the results and how everything was working post hookup and connection. This is no more than a visual, so to save time, I'm going to accelerate the speed of the video just to get through this. Right about here, I found out that my light would not illuminate, and I found out that I actually had the polarity of my solar panels reversed, so I had to switch that. So it took a while. I finally figured it out and finally got it to work. You see the PV light blinking, which means it is functioning now. See from the flashing arrow that my solar panels system is providing power to my LED lights, but look at that, it's switched. Once my voltage dropped on my battery, it's switched to the house current. Check that out. See here, I'm in the process of reconfiguring my LED lights in my shop area. You can see some cords still hanging, so that has to be tidied up. There's a couple of still old fluorescent lights I gotta get rid of, but most of them are LED lights, each one putting out or rated at 20 watts. Looks good, looks nice and bright. Hope you enjoyed this 7-part video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Thank you. link to all the equipment I used in this project is provided in the description section.